if you rotate a rectangle, which statement is false? Okay, so before we even get into the answers here, anytime we do a rotation is a rigid transformation, meaning you're not changing the size or the shape, you're just turning it. All right, so if we think about that, A says the parallel lines of a rectangle remain, parallel. Well, that's a true statement, right? We're not changing the size or shape of the rectangle, so if they were parallel, they're still going to be parallel. The rectangle retained its same position on the coordinate plane. All right, well, let's think about that. If we start with the rectangle and we move it, if we start with a rectangle and we rotate it, that's turning it. Is that going to be in the exact same spot on our graph paper? No, it's not. If we're rotating something, we're turning it, so it is moving. It's not going to be in the same position, so that's false. C says the angles of the rectangle remain 90 degrees. That's going to be true. We're not changing the size or shape. It's a rigid transformation. And D says the segments of the rectangle remain the same length. Again, not changing the size or shape. It's a rigid transformation. All we're doing is rotating it or turning it. So the position on the coordinate plane is going to change.